say, the early Alice-powered aircraft didn't have particularly good outline performance, nor were they particularly good at high altitude, and this was where the suggestion of putting the Rolls-Royce Merlin into the story.
'Hangar, who discussed the idea with a friend, the commanding officer of the RAF's air fighting development unit at Duxford, Ian Campbell-Ord. To cut a long story short, a Mustang testbed with a Rolls-Royce Merlin was newly converted by Rolls-Royce at Hucknall, entered flight testing, its performance was transformed, and so was born the Mustang in its more definitive form.
More powerful at higher altitudes.
Production engine Mustang was not built by Rolls-Royce, but by the American automotive manufacturer Hangar. Rolls-Royce was very much consumed with the Merlins used by British types like the Lancaster, the Spitfire and the Mosquito.
Unit, the first in the US Army Air Force to use African American pilots and crews. The particular pilot represented here was George Hardy, who, despite facing segregation and discrimination, was determined to join the Air Force, which he did in 1943. And 2 years later, at the